Stop settling for grainy, pixelated webcam footage and transform your Nikon D3500 into a professional-grade streaming powerhouse. First, you'll need a few things: your Nikon D3500, a USB cable that fits its mini USB port, and a computer. Will also need specific software to make this magic happen. Head over to the official Nikon website, search for the Nikon Webcam Utility software. This is a free, official tool from Nikon designed specifically for this purpose. Download and install it on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. Now, let's prep the camera. Turn on your Nikon D3500, insert a fully charged battery. You don't want it dying midstream. Navigate to the camera's menu. Look for the setup menu, which is often represented by a wrench icon. Within the setup menu, find the option for USB power delivery. Make sure this is enabled. This will allow your camera to draw power from the USB cable connected to your computer, so you won't need to worry about battery life. Next, go back to the setup menu and find the auto power off or power saving settings. It's a good idea to disable these or set them to a very long interval. This prevents the camera from automatically shutting off while you're in a long call or stream. Once the software is installed and your camera settings are adjusted, connect your Nikon D3500 to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Nikon Webcam Utility software. You should see it automatically detect your camera. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, like Zoom, Skype, OBS, or Streamlabs. In the application's camera settings, select Nikon Webcam Utility as your video source. You should now see your Nikon D3500's feed appear in the application window. For the best results, set your Nikon D3500 to manual mode. Choose a suitable aperture for a pleasing background blur. Adjust your ISO to keep the image clean, and set your shutter speed appropriately. A prime lens like a 50mm f/18 is excellent for this. If you encounter issues, ensure the USB cable is securely connected at both ends, that the Nikon Webcam Utility is running, and that no other application is trying to access the camera. Sometimes, simply restarting the software or your computer can resolve minor glitches. With your D3500 now acting as a high-quality webcam, say goodbye to fuzzy video and hello to crystal clear, professional streams and calls.